How to turn on or turn off power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on device care. Then tap on battery. From here, tap on power saving. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here you can see if I turn it on, my battery can now extend to last up to 4 days and 19 hours. If I switch it off, it will last 3 days and 23 hours. Now if you tap on the left hand side panel, there are the settings that you can also customize, such as limit CPU speed, turn off always on display, and other settings. And that's it. Now another way to turn on or turn off power saving is to swipe down at the top. And in this quick settings panel, expand the full panel here and then tap on power saving in here. So there it is. So tap on that to quickly turn on or turn off power saving. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.